Alex Ayala, born May 23, 2005, is a Filipino professional tennis player. Here are some highlights of her career and recent activities. Junior Grand Slam champion in 2022, she became the first Filipino to win a Junior Grand Slam singles title at the US Open. She also has two Junior Grand Slam double titles, the 2020 Australian Open and the 2021 French Open. She is the first Filipino to compete in a Grand Slam main draw in the Open era. She achieved this at the 2025 French Open, Wimbledon, and the US Open. WTA 125 title winner, Ayala secured her first WTA title at the Guadalajara 125 Open in Zapopan, Mexico in September 2025. Highest ranked Filipino player in WTA Tour history, she reached a career-high singles ranking of number 56 on June 30, 2025. She is the first Filipino to enter the top 100 with WTA rankings. First Filipino to defeat multiple top 5 players and major champions. This includes a notable win against 5-time major title champion Iga Swiatek at the Miami Open. She also defeated Australian Open champion Madison Keys at the same tournament, making her the first Filipino player in the Open era to beat a top 10 opponent. First Filipino to reach our tour level final in the Open era. Latest ranking, Alex Ayala rose to 57th in the WTA rankings as of September 15, 2025. With 1,083 total ranking points, this is one spot below her career high rankings. Sao Paulo Open. Following her win at the Guadalajara 125 Open, Ayala competed in Sao Paulo Open in Brazil, where she reached the quarterfinals, extending her winning streak to 7 matches. However, she was defeated by Janice Tijen of Indonesia in the quarterfinals. Next tournament, Alex Ayala is expected to participate in the Jingshan Tennis Open in China, WTA 125 circuit event scheduled for September 22 to 28. I want you all guys, give our support, win or lose, to our tennis sensation Alex Ayala.